Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna basically do a quick video, or not really a quick video, but a video of me showing all the stuff that we removed off the parts for the escape. There's plenty of stuff we removed already. For starters, many of you guys already know that we took off one caliper. I ended up taking off the other one. I have those laying over there. So I'm gonna try to push to take off the back calipers, but I'm not 100% sure as yet. Plus, I need to take the back differential off as well. But before we do all of that, the first thing I want to do is take the exhaust out, because you know, which in the last video when we removed the engine, or the last two videos when we removed the engine from the Ford Escape, the engine and transmission, we took some stuff off. But anyways, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure that your post notifications is on so you can get alert on everything that we're dropping right now. And make sure and also so you can see the live, and whenever we go live, you can see those as well. But I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's go straight to start removing this stuff on the Ford Escape. There might be some music in the background, but don't worry if we do. I'll just put it on a quick time lapse and then run the video, so you see exactly what I'm doing. But there's only two bolts that I'm gonna be removing from this exhaust under the car, and we're gonna get to it. So let's go. So this is the bolt that I'm talking. You have one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. I'm gonna use a 7/16 to see if we could get it loose, and then go from there. So let's see how it works out. I don't know what that clip is for. And then there's another bolt behind that clip. So that bolt looks like it's definitely a 10 for sure. Yeah, so for this bolt, it's definitely a 10. So we're gonna start loosening it right now. All right, so we have this side of the exhaust is hanging already. Now we're about to do the other side. I need to start wearing my gloves. Alright, so we just got this off. I'm gonna put this up and we'll come back and see what else we can take off this car. We're just gonna try to see how much we can take off today, and we go from there. So we'll go find somewhere to put this. We'll be right back. that there was a good amount of gas in this car. And I'm just trying to remove everything so I could junk it, and this gas could go in a pan that I have in there. Container, I should say. So you see how rusted the brake calipers are? Oh, we could clean them off. Okay, so the easy way I used to put the tire on is to just use this. Roll the tire on to it. And then once you roll the tire onto it, and then just basically lift and put it in the spot that you need it to. And then that's the easiest way I've done it. Probably bring the car up some more. Everything's lined up. Pull it up. It's all in. And my dad taught me that some years ago. I think it made it a lot easier. Instead of me lifting the tires all the time. Or the wheel. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this episode on We Rebuild. So thanks again. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button.